fans, this Prince MD Digital Concepts. My viewers over there, today is another day. I want to show you a camcorder camera that has been trending all over the world. People have been using. Now I feel like also expressing my feelings on it, expressing how good it is, enlightening you people to the Ae8 Adro camcorder. Adro camcorder is a nice camcorder. It has night view. It can make you to view at night. It have Wi-Fi connection which you can connect through your phone. It can also snap. Through the writing they say it's 48 megapixel, but I say on my own scene it's 8 or 12 megapixel. But today I want to unbox it for you to see how it's called. The camcorder, everybody is trending on net. People are using it, family are using it, even some professionals are using it to zoom and it can zoom. Now give me a little bit time, let me show you how it is. Okay, here comes the camcorder, the Adro Camcorder Ae8. I received it from Alibaba. You can see it. I just store it now. You can see it. It's a 4K camera. As you can see, it's a 4K camera, video camera. Let's check here. 4K, Wi-Fi, 3.0 touchscreen IPS, 30.0 megapixel, digital zoom times 16, night version. It can track on sport mode, app mode, which is the app. It uses app. Now you can see it has face detection and remote control. It has remote control. We are going to unbox it now to see what is inside this. This is the camera. You can see it has 4K. This is the bag. You can see the bag. It has HDMI. This HDMI, you can plug the HDMI here. You plug it here. You plug to television if you want to watch the television. Wow, this is the charger. It has the charger, 1 amps, and this is the remote control. The remote control of the camera, and this is the cable, USB cable and the brush cable. You can see it. You can put it here. This is for the charging of the phone. Now while you put it here, plug it like this, plug into your charger. It will indicate that it is charging while you plug. Then it comes with 2 batteries. This one, it comes with 2, 3 depending on the one you applied for. Now you put it nice, press here, open your lens, it becomes the camera, the camcorder, the 4K. It's where you can see it. The battery is not charged. I want to on it. The battery is not charged. I will charge the battery and now test it. I will now upload another time that I have tested it, both the photography, the video, the cinematography. I'm going to use it to catch everything. Let's see how neat the video will be. Let's see the graphics of the video, whether it is top or lower graphics. But I know that it will be a nice camera. It has nice point of view here for lights. And meanwhile, there's other things you can put here. We call the hood. You put the hood there. You can plug your light here, your speed lights. You can put your mic here, and you socket your mic here, and do your video. It is well okay. You can see it. Nothing else is inside it. See the box. Nothing else is inside. So which way away this? And this one is the one they use and block this place. I removed it. So you can see the camera. It comes with this. It comes with remote control, and the bag is very portable. Let's put this inside the bag. Close, put the camera, close it. We put it inside this place. Close it. Close it like this. You can use your belt to hold it. You can use your belt to hold it while you're here. You use a snap, you put it back. You can also put the remote control inside the bag while you put the remote control like this. But this should be intact, because when you want to view what you have done, you lose it. When you use it, if you want to watch it on television, on your plasma or any other thing, you plug this side, goes to the camera. Let me try open it. Here comes to the camera, and here goes to your television HDMI. Anything you recorded here, you can see it on your television, you can see it on your laptop. I know it's upgradable with this. So that is it. I will test this HDMI and I will upload it. I will also test the camera situation and I will upload it. Thank you and God bless you. Remain focused on our channel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Anything we post, you see it. Thank you. This is Prince MD Digital Concept. Thank you.